guys. Myself Anushka and my class members Gopal Krishna and Ashra. I am from Review Department in Gudalur Engineering College, Gudalur. My project name is arc welding designing by using software, simulation software, and this will be telling you Gopal Krishna.
We did the robotic project for the application of arc welding. In this arc welding, we use the Escava robot. We did so much of things by using this robot. We learned so much of things, and my project guided by Manoj Prabhakar sir. The sir gave so much of logics which helps to enhance my skills and how to use the robot simulation software. And we also enjoying the practical experience by using Escava robot. At the same time, we learn so much of things in the software by using an uniform language. Like this.
Leadership robotic simulation software. We also learn PLC and SCADA. PLC and SCADA uses a lot of information about how to deal most of the industrial projects by using this hardware application. We experienced a lot of experience from our Manoj professor. He gave us SCADA, and we also learned the present technology. How can we are going to use the Escava robots in industry, manufacturing and production applications. Definitely in future Escava robot is going to become a highly advanced robot which reduces a human effort completely in coming future. Thank you.